Hey guys, quick video today is about a running program. This program I really like because it helps people understand how much running is enough, and that way when you're rehabilitating back from an injury you can measure how much you can put through the body before you need to stop. Okay, so I want you to picture a distance of 100 meters. And then that 100 meters is broken up into the first 40, the following 20, and then the final 40 meters. So 40, 20, 40. You're looking to progress into a pace. So from a stop start, you build up to 75% speed. So that's more than a jog, but less than a sprint. And you try to get up to that pace up to the first 40. You maintain 75% into the following 20. And then you slowly drop down your pace until that final 40. So that's your 100 meters of 40, 20, 40. You then walk back recovery. And when you get to the start of the 100 meters, 40, 20, 40 again at that 75% intensity, walk back recovery. And then again, your third lot of 40, 20, 40s. Now what will happen is you're going to maintain this running program. And once you've completed your 40, 20, 40s, you chop 5 meters off either end and it becomes 35, 20, 35 times 3, walk back recovery, and then it becomes 30, 20, 30, and finally becoming 15, 20, 15. So you have 4 levels from 40, 20, 40s to 35s to 30s to 15, and you have 3 of those efforts each. And I really like this program because you're only running straight lines. It's a progressive load, so it's not a quick change in direction, so you're not sidestepping, and it's not a quick change in pace because you're just steadily building the pace up and then slowly dropping down. The other thing I like is it's a bit of conditioning work, because usually if you're on a running program, you haven't been running for a little while because you've been rehabilitating from an injury. So the thing that I like is it's measurable. So how do you know when you should stop? Well, in any time of the running program, if you feel any tightness or if you feel pain, not necessarily in the sore knee, or if it's in your lower back, it's tightening up, your hamstrings are fatiguing, maybe there's some stiffness in your ankle, I encourage that you stop the running program. Just take note of how far along you got. So maybe you did all of your 40, 20, 40s, and then into your second lot of 35, 20, 35s, you started to pull up a bit tight in the hamstring, as an example. You stop your run today, let's say it's Monday, give yourself a day's break on Tuesday, and then try your running program again on Wednesday. And then you're starting from the top, 3 lots of the 40, 20, 40s with your walk back recovery, then your 35, 20, 35s, to your 30s, to your 15s. If you're doing that really well, it gives you more confidence because you're measuring your running load to get back into sport-specific training, or just giving yourself the confidence to return back to a fuller load of running. So the benefit of this running program is that you can measure how much you're running, and you're only performing this movement at a certain speed, so let's say 75%, and that it's only straight line running. It's a good tool to help you progress back to full running and eventually to full sport. So I hope you found this short video really helpful. Remember, here at ProPhysio Plus, we like making healthy simple.